Hi, hello, 𝙬𝙧𝙗𝙪𝙧 here. We create excellent presentations. Please remember to like and share this video and subscribe our valuable channel. You can also follow our social media. In this video, I will show you how to add and modify transitions between slides in PowerPoint. Alright, so as usual, let's get into it. So right click, layout, and set layout to blank. Alright, so we have to have some slides, so we have to distinguish there. So the first slide will be just a slide with a title, so insert text box, and this is a title of the tutorial. All right. All right, that's cool. The second slide, let's duplicate this one, so Ctrl and D. Yeah, maybe type here thanks for choosing this tutorial, but yeah, let's say color to white, and just change background to a black. All right, and maybe yeah, let's copy this one, and it will be a cool effect. I will show you. And maybe here type I am really proud of you guys, and also duplicate this this black now, and here maybe you can visit our blog, and here www.excellentslides.com/blog. Yeah, all right. So as you can see, if we open this presentation as a slide view, so just click it, or F5. As you can see, if we go, this is the first slide, right? And if we go to the next slide, this is a transition between these two slides, right? It's just a crisp transition between these two slides, right? But in PowerPoint, you can modify the transition between slides. So let's say we would like to change the transition to this slide, so the slide number 2, right? So we have to select it, and now go to the transitions right here, and here you have some of these transitions. But if you click this drop down arrow, now you see every transition that is available in PowerPoint. All right, so maybe choose push. All right, so as you can see here, you can preview this effect. Just click it, preview, and as you can see, it will be looking something like that, right? So the slide number 2 would be pushed to the top, right? Yeah, to the top. But here you have effect options, and often if you choose any of this transition, you can modify effect options. So in this case, push, you can modify the direction, right? So now it is set from bottom, so let's choose maybe from left. And as you can see, now it looks a little bit different, right? All right, so to the third slide, we would like to take maybe a fade. So as you can see now, it looks also different, right? For the fourth slide, let's choose maybe cover, and as you can see, this also looks different, right? And here you can also modify it, right? So maybe from bottom right. As you can see, it looks something like that. And the last one, maybe take it's really, I mean, in PowerPoint, some of the transitions are really cool, modern, and just useful, but some of them are terrible, and they are just you cannot as a designer use them because they just look awful, right? For example, let maybe dissolve. It looks really outdated, right? Or for example, honeycomb. It looks just not bad, not good, right? So maybe maybe this airplane. Yeah, it looks really cool. All right, so summing up, let's preview our whole work. So go to the slide view, and now this is our first slide, and just use right arrow or just click anywhere. So I will click anywhere. Now, as you can see, this is slide number 2, and you saw this transition, as you can see. Now let's also click. This is slide number 3, and this was fade transition. And this is for slide number 4, transition, something like that. And the last, something like that. Yeah, this was the last slide and last transition. And by the way, yeah, ExcellentSlides.com/blog, you can read some articles about PowerPoint, presentation design, and public speaking. So if you are interested in those topics, just visit our blog and read some articles. So yeah, thanks you guys for watching. Please share and like this video. Also subscribe to the channel if you didn't do that yet. Have a great day and lead a happy life. Excellent slides.